Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I have a trio of stocks for you that I thought you might enjoy looking at buying. Obviously the indexes are at record highs and a pullback could be extreme and could come at any time. I think that's kind of a disclaimer that we want to make sure that we're getting out there, right? I mean, when you've got indexes moving as the spiders have, caution is warranted. Okay, now that we've kind of got that out of the way, there's a couple other names that I think have some potential. In Facebook, the lifetime highs are up there around 218. So, this will take time, admittedly, but as long as we can stay above this 200-day simple moving average, I think it's a name that you want to focus on to the long side. Now, in a perfect world, what we get is a hold of this little area right here, and then a push up through. If you start really reliably getting through 195 and then 200, I think 210 will make for a good target. So that's one name that I've got on my watch list as we get into next week. We also have Costco. Now, I reviewed this in the free video newsletter exactly 1 week ago, and not a lot has changed, right? Costco has been moving pretty good. This week was mostly consolidation, but I do overall like the idea that we're holding that psychological price point of $300. And kind of the same thing here, hold the trend, hold the 50-day on the pullback, and I think that that's going to open up the door into 315. And then one more that's a little bit higher price stock, but I think if you enjoy trading options, this could be a really good move. I like ISRG up above the 589 high, ultimately 600, 6.25, and then you've got some other extensions up here that in time I think we will come in and see. Now, when you review these types of videos and you think, all right, buy ISRG, just be very clear that I would give you the same advice all the way down into this range. So, let's say it gaps up on Monday and you buy it here. Well, then if it's down on Tuesday, you can't take a stop with that. This is something that I'm looking at with the January call options, risking the debit paid, and then I want to look at them again about 2 weeks before they expire. So buy all the way down into this zone, give it about 90 days, give or take, and I think we will be exceeding those old lifetime highs. So I hope that's helpful, gives you some good trade ideas as we get into next week, and we will see you at the next free video.